Now, I thought about it. I realized there's other people out there like me. I don't have a fancy shop or slab or anything to be on. And they want $8,500 change. 3 sets of these U-bolts out. Those ones that go here, and the ones on that wheel over there that I've already got. So I'm going to make a little video of how I'm doing it, because you cannot lift the frame high enough to change these U-bolts. You actually have to pull the whole leaf, the leaf support and everything out. So right now what I'm doing, I'm taking the bushing out so I can lower this enough to pull it out some, get my U-bolts in. That's a new U-bolt that I squeezed in there, but there's no possible way to get this one in. This is an old 1989 377. I drive it on a normal basis. It's how I earn my money. And maybe somebody out there will get some help from this video. I hope so. Okay, it's getting dark. I'm almost done for the night, but right now I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I'll explain it to you. I have got this crazy contraption beating that old bushing out little by little, trying to get the video as I do the work. Anyway, you can see how that's working. All this is, I got it stuck in the rubber now. Let's see here. You can probably tell what that is. It's part of the old U-bolts that I pulled out of here. The old U-bolt bottom part goes under the axle. I'll keep you updated as I progress. Alright, while I'm here, I finally got this out of the truck. I want to point something out. This bolt, which has a weird bottom on it, is $95. Just the bolt. And it's $90 for the bushings. What else was it that was ridiculous? Oh, the U-bolts. 2 of these. $70. Keep that in mind. Okay. There's your $90-something bolt plus tax. Over $100 with tax. Right? There's a $6 grade 8 3/4 inch bolt. What I did, I slid the base in, put the U-joint or the U-bolts on, got the bolt through, slid in the springs, put my new top plate on, got it underneath the U-bolts. Now I'm tightening up the 3/4 inch. So that's how that's right now. I just have this held up with a punch right here. Alright, I'll knock these bottom ones out. A lot easier said than done. Being stubborn. Twist it around as I pull it out. That way I get all the crud for a minute. That one's gonna be tough there. Oh yeah. Nice and dirty. Last one. Whew. Better be a little more careful. No, I'll have to do that over here. Stick it on something. Things really do get glued in there, don't they? Basically, I've got it sitting on the steps right now. Banging it off the side of the steps. So I'm gonna have to go underneath there. Get the new washers and nuts on it now. If you do one U-bolt at a time, it's not going to be very hard. I learned that on the first one I did. I didn't get any video of. Oh, you got your tabs on the sides. They can't go like that. They have to go like this, in line with the truck. I'm just trying to get the back U-bolt right now. Then I can wiggle the front one on. One of the washers. And a nut. Come on. I tried wiggling them in from the side from a video I watched before. Yeah, it kind of messed my threads up. That's why I'm making a video. That way did not work for me. I fixed the threads a little bit. This one's taking it good. I'm gonna have to get that one with an impact. So basically, that's about all there is to it. From here on, all I have to do is put the shock back in right here. I've already put the airlines back together. I bust that airline. I had to go get new fittings for it. But on your project, on your truck, so just put the shock back in right there. Get the other two bolts on, or nuts on. Tighten them up. And shove the front U-bolt down through the holes. You can secure it. This is a pain in the butt. And next, I'll be cutting those U-bolts and putting new ones in here. But that's about it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. And good luck with your project, because it is one pain in the butt.